your stream as a small streamer can be a bit challenging, but if you focus on the right things, you can start to see some traction and start to see some success along your journey. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips that I would recommend for small streamers to follow to be able to grow your views, grow your community, and grow your income. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a free gift to help you along your journey. So the first tip is going to be to stream less. Yes, you heard that right. Stream less. And the reason why I say this is because you want to focus on creating content more than you actually stream, especially when you're first getting started and you really don't have an audience or a community built. You're going to want to create that content and build up your other social platforms to be able to get people to find you on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and then have them come over to your stream where they can engage with you live. And that leads me into tip number 2, which is to build up your other social platforms. It's very important that you understand that your growth is going to happen when you're offline, not when you're live. So if you're only live streaming and you're not creating content and building up your other social platforms, and when I say build up your other social platforms, it's not just to go ahead and post gaming clips. You do want to post that kind of content, but you want to focus more on the experience that you have inside of your stream. Post funny moments, reactions, things that happen within your stream, things that people are going to relate to when they look at your content, but also share the behind the scenes. Who are you as a person? Use your social media to allow people to understand who you are and what your personality is. What do you like doing on the weekends? What are your other hobbies outside of gaming? What are other things you enjoy doing? Share your family, share your pets. Let people know who you are as a person, and then encourage them to come check you out live and spend time with you. But you have to focus on streaming less. Now, when I say streaming less, what does that actually look like? 1 to 2 times a week max, maybe 3 to 4 hours. And you're streaming that time to be able to create that content that you're then going to post throughout the week for the next weeks. And then in that time frame, you're also going to create content about your lifestyle. So you need to go ahead and build up your social platforms. Tip number 3, you need to build a home for your community. Okay, you can't just be live streaming and going live and not having a home for the people that are coming to your stream to watch you. That's an opportunity for you to say, hey, when I'm not streaming, I'm inside of my community to be able to go ahead and focus and spend time with you guys. And that's where like a Discord comes into play for you to be able to have somewhere where you can send people. Why? Because most of the time, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, they don't send notifications out to everyone who follows you. So when you go live and you only see 2 or 3 people tune in, but you have over 100 followers, why are those people not tuning in? Because they're not getting the notifications. You got to understand that you're competing with other creators, and other creators are streaming at the same time as you or uploading content. So they're also getting notifications from those other creators that they follow. But if you have a community that's personal to you and only you are in there and your community, when you post a notification, they're all going to get notified, allowing them to know, hey, I just posted a new video on Instagram. Hey, I just posted a new video on TikTok. They can come and follow you to be able to go ahead and support you. So you need to have a home to be able to have your community live. Aside from that, tip number 4 is going to be to collaborate. And when I say collaborate, it's looking for other creators, other streamers that are in your space that are doing the same thing, that allow you to be able to collaborate with them, whether that be on a live stream, whether that be on a TikTok video, on an Instagram video, on a YouTube video. You need to go ahead and surround yourself with other individuals who are on the same journey as you, because it's going to go ahead and motivate you, inspire you, and teach you new ways to be able to engage with your community. And alongside collaboration, you're also looking at mentors. Find someone who's already doing what it is that you want to do and learn from them. If you don't have any money, try to just spend time in their live stream. Try to spend time on their social platforms and see what are they doing to be able to engage with their community. If you have some money, look for a mentor that can go ahead and mentor you on a week-to-week basis, on a month-to-month basis, to allow you to give you some vision on where you need to go and what steps you need to take to be able to reach that next level. And then lastly, tip number 5, and this is going to be the free gift that I'm going to give you guys, is make sure that your stream looks professional, that it's designed the right way, that your social media is also designed, because you want to look professional not only for your audience, not only for yourself, but also for companies that want to go ahead and work with you and pay you for promotion. So what I'm going to do for you is that in the description of this video, video, I went ahead and put a link to streamdesigns.com. I went ahead and put a link to free overlays that you're going to be able to utilize, and at checkout you want to use the code FREESTREAMOverlays, and you're going to be able to get those overlays for free. Now, a lot of these tips that I went ahead and mentioned today, I've created several videos to give you further education. When it comes to building up your social platforms, I have videos on TikTok, on Twitter, just showing you the basics of what you should be doing to be able to start growing those platforms. When it comes to building a home for your community, I have a video showcasing you how to set up a Discord server, and I even give you a free template. That way you can just go ahead and get set up right away. And then when it comes to collaboration and mentorship, those are opportunities for you to get connected with me, get connected with other streamers, to be able to educate you on how you can go ahead and grow with the right mindset and the right plan to be able to start seeing that traction, because it is more than 100% possible for you to be able to grow your viewership, to grow your community, and grow your income to ultimately make streaming your career. So I'll see you guys in the next video.